Hey guys, welcome back to Muskrat Vlogs. In today's video, we are going to be exploring the Bellefonte Woods in order to find the Bellefonte Screwdriver Man, a famous legend.
Remember to like and subscribe.
I heard that Screwdriver Man guy got in some voodoo magic crap.
And it says he haunts the woods here ever since. Tonight, we're putting that to the test.
I heard them woods are dangerous, Billy.
Yeah, what would happen if we went?
Yeah.
Guys, check this out, dude. There's screwdrivers here. Oh my god.
Yo, the
You see
screwdriver
that?
is free.
You think that was the screwdriver man?
It was probably the screwdriver guy.
I don't know what else would have put the screws in the tree. Yeah, what is that?
You like that?
What you crippin'?
What are you talking about there, buddy? You guys shouldn't be around these parts.
Not so sure about that.
You boys are messing with forces in nature you don't understand.
I don't know about that, man. I'm just filming a YouTube video.
You kids and your YouTube videos.
Hey, yo, you're that redneck dude we saw earlier. What are you doing with that car?
You boys best be getting out of these parts. It ain't safe.
Yeah, I get that. That's why we're here, actually.
You are tempting fate being here.
Nah, I ain't. Oh, why you got that screwdriver? That's like weird.
You better be getting out of these parts.
Nah. Yo, where's Dylan?
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm filming some B-roll. Got the Oreos. Check out the OK Rumor.
Yo, Chase, check this out, man. It looks like it's still intact, man. It's Oreo. I don't think he'd ever leave this behind if he were actually safe. Still fresh.
My Oreos.
Dylan!
Oh my gosh. Everyone's dead. No. Oh. Who could have done this?
I'm the Screwdriver Man!
No!